This is Chelsea, and it's our first time eating sweet potato. There's her little magic baby bullet, and she loves it. Okay, now it's gonna be hard. I have to put it down for a second. Put some on the spoon. Ready? Sweet potato, baby. Are you ready, baby? There, block the shadow. Here. Yeah, the camera is distracting you. It's hard to do this and film at the same time. Here we go. Want some sweet potato? What do you think? Yummy. You love it. May 30th. Chelsea's first sweet potato. You love it. Is that good? Is that so good? What? Sweet potato, baby. Have some. It's hard to get it. Open your beautiful little mouth. Is that so good? Yum yum. Before you grow. What do you think? What do you think? It's yummy. See, I like it, Mama. Sweet potato, baby. Here you go, honey. Open. Yummy. Are you yummy? Are you yummy? Oh, little baby. She loves it. Let me get another scoop. Another scoop. Have another scoop. Have another scoop. There, what do you think? What do you think? Yeah. Do you like it? Oh, yummy. Hey, yummy. Hey, hello. Hello. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yum, yum. You're so good. You didn't even spit any out. Let's get another scoop. Who's my sweet potato? Who's a sweet potato? There's a shadow in the way. Here you go. Open. Oh, look at you. You opened up and everything. Is that yummy? Is it yummy? Yeah. Hey, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Oh, here, let you taste a little more. Yum, yum. You love it? Do you love it? She loves it. Look, you're so excited. Are you so excited? Okay, bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.